Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Takum Dangubel. Okay, guys, I just want to show you guys the analysis I did, the last trade I took on this channel. It's actually going my way just as I presume, or just as I said. This was my target, but I told you guys that I know that this trade is going to go upward, and now it has reached a point where I believe it's going to be turning down. So if I allow the trade to run about for 3 days, that would have been about 500. About let me see the number of pips. 500 pips from here. I did enter the trade here, right up here. That's 2,685 points. That's about 268 pips. So if I use a standard lot of one, I would have been running out of the market about $2,600, or a standard lot of 0.1, I would have been coming out with $200. But with a standard of 0.02, it's about 150 dollars, or maybe 100 or 100 or 200, yeah, like 400, yeah, like yeah, $100. So guys, I just want to show you that with your technical analysis, when you do your technical analysis the right way, you're not gonna miss this out. You're not gonna miss the trade out. You're just gonna hit your take profit. You're just gonna make those pips. Call me the pip lord. Guys, I'm very happy that my analysis, what I did, is going on well. And believe me, you guys, like I told you, that it's gonna bounce off here. Look at it. Let's look at it very well. It's gonna bounce off here, goes down back. Let me go down. Let me go. Let me try to reduce the. This was my analysis. When you look at it, it's still there. The analysis is still there. I told you guys that I'm not so sure that it's gonna break here, because I know it's gonna bounce back. Looking at this level and this weak rejection, when you look at this candlestick, you can see that there's a weak rejection. This when you see this weak, it can still definitely go up, but when you see this weak rejection, it's a sign. It's a sign that is telling you that the market is about to turn. The market is about to go down. Guys, I know that rain is falling outside. I don't even know if the sound is coming into my video, but I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. So I just wanted to show you guys how I carry out my technical analysis, what I did, and my prediction, and it's actually going my way. So let me go down to the lower time frame to see the behavior of the market. Lower time frame. We are in the lower time frame. Okay, voila. This is exactly what I'm talking about. You see, this weak rejection. You see this weak rejection? You see this candlestick? This might be they call it the shooting star. Yeah, shooting star. Then you have this candlestick. I don't know if it's a bullish engulfing candle, but I'm still gonna uh, uh, confirm. But definitely it's going down. The 1 hour time frame is saying that the market is going down. So I know the market is turning from this point, but it can still turn, comes down, and goes back up and really touch this trend line. It can still create another, there's a retracement here, comes back and touch this trend line. So we are just waiting. I'm just waiting. At this point, I cannot really take the trade, but if I was watching the market for some days now, my internet was I was unable to connect to my laptop, and I had a busy week with my 9 to 5 job, guys. So I did not really come to watch the market, but I did the analysis and I left it. So if I came, I saw that this market has break my trend line, it goes up, come back and retest, I would have entered the market right here after seeing this bullish engulfing candle. No, when you look at it, let me draw it closer. Let me draw it closer. Okay, when you look at it, when seeing this, upon seeing this weak rejection, seeing this, then after seeing a bullish engulfing candle, this one I already know it was a retest, and boom, it's going back up. So right now it shows that the market can just come down straight, but it can still be as if it's retracing. It's retracing a little bit to go back up, but to touch this trend line very well. So I'm just watching. I'm just watching. If the market comes back to my trend line, I'll wait. If it does, if it comes back to my trend line, what I'll be waiting for is um a break of this trend line. Immediately, if I see a break of this trend line, I am selling. I am selling. But if it doesn't comes back to this trend line, let me draw. Immediately, if the market comes to this trend line and it breaks this trend line, it will break, and definitely it's going to retest. They call it the last kiss. When you study the naked trader, the naked trader call it the last kiss test, and boom, I'll be targeting down. But if it doesn't comes here, it might just turn back here. It might just retrace a little bit. It might retrace a little bit. Now then it goes back up and touch the trend line, touch my trend line, this one, boom. So when it touches this trend line, I'm looking uh, at my price action here to either short, or if it breaks the trend line, I know I'm going up again. I'm going, and it's either buy. So guys, I just want you guys to look at this. Tell me if you know your technical analysis. Tell me how you're gonna miss out, or maybe you're gonna lose when you're trading forex. Guys, like I said, it's still on my demo account. I promise myself to do a lot of back testing, do a lot of live trading to master the art of trading. For sometimes I get myself 2 months to do that. I've been actually studying for this is my third month. I started in June, July, August. Yes, in June I started uh, the lesson in June. So now we are in maybe towards the end of August. So I want to give myself another 2 months, 2 months to back test my skills. Maybe in that process I can come up with my own training strategy. So actually presently I'm trying to study some ICT concept, the ICT concept. I'm trying to study some ICT, the fair value gap, to understand fair value gap, which is just almost the same like retracement, liquidity sweep, stuff like that. And the first candle of the week, or the first candle of the week, to give you the directional bias. So I'm actually studying it. I want to actually combine the concept with the normal trend line and technical analysis too. Normal trend lines and support and resistance levels, psychological levels, now to come up with something powerful. So one thing I've gathered in forex analysis, or in technical analysis, is that when you understand the structure is about the direction of the market. When you know the direction of the market, you are good to go. The only thing now you should be focusing on is how to give the sniper entry, how to give the sniper entry on, and how to do your stop loss, then risk management. Bam, you can be profitable. Those things I know, but I want to, theoretically I know, but I'm giving myself some time to, to study, to backtest my strategy, to backtest my strategy, to give, to understand the market, to know the intrigues of the market before I start a live account. But I actually plan to start a small live account trading only news. I have this strategy that I want to use in news trading. That's the starter strategy. So that is what I'm thinking of doing. thinking of going live with news analysis. But with the technical analysis, I still want to understand the market, do a lot of back testing. Guys, isn't this good? When I see the market actually respecting my analysis, it makes me feel good, and it makes me know that I'm actually heading somewhere. Okay, I don't want to talk much. I just want you guys to smash that subscribe button, like, and give me your comment. What you think about my analysis? I am still in the learning process, and maybe in the subsequent videos, I'll be telling you guys, or I'll actually go with you guys how I study the various strategy, or maybe trying to backtest my strategy, or trying to backtest any training plan that I have in mind. So peace out. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.